Hello, in front of me I've got 70Mi Omni. In this video I'll show you a device preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the front of the device. Right here we've got the display screen and microphone. On the right side we can find rear camera port and power port. Here we've got the micro SD slot. And right here we can find camera, gimbal and ventilation holes. If you open this, here you can find mount, serial number and speakers. Here is the second speaker. Right here we can find power button and up and down button. This is the adhesive sticker, thanks to which you can connect the dashcam to front windshield. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.